I'm Shania, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some tips on how to get soft, healthy hands. But first, I have a confession to make. I have been pretty religious when it comes to my facial skincare routine, but I have been guilty of ignoring my hands pretty often. Not anymore, of course. Stick around as I show you my hand care routine for soft, smooth and healthy hands. Also, if you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Also, make sure to press that bell icon so you can get notified every time we post a video. So to begin, to get soft, healthy hands, it's important to wash it with care. If you've been taking hand washing as seriously as I have been these days, chances are you might find your hands feeling drier than usual. Washing your hands thoroughly with soap is essential, but the antibacterial component in your hand wash can be harsh and drying to your skin, which is why it's important to choose a mild hand wash that will nourish your skin, kill the germs and help keep your hands clean. My personal pick is this hand wash. It nourishes my skin deeply and the gentle formula doesn't leave my skin feeling dry and itchy. Just wet your hands under running water. Very hot water can dry out the skin, so make sure it's lukewarm to avoid the hands from becoming rough and dry. Take some hand wash on your hands. Just a coin size amount is enough to cover the surface of your hands, because did you know more soap does not ensure better cleaning? Lather it well. Now rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds. You obviously don't have to have a timer on, but to make it more fun, I count till 20. Rub all surfaces including the back of your hands, wrist, between the fingers and under your fingernails. Once done, make sure to rinse well and pat dry. So let me tell you an alarming fact. The skin of your hands ages faster than your face. Yes, so all the more reasons to take care of it, right? But along with your hands, your cuticles too need moisturization. So make sure not to overlook that delicate area. Also, if you are someone who picks on the cuticles, stop now. This not only ruins the skin around the nails but also leaves it more prone to damage and infection. For moisturization, my go-to hand and nail cream is this one. It deeply absorbs into the skin and moisturizes hands from within, leaving them soft and smooth. Since it has petroleum jelly and keratin, it prevents nails from chipping and breaking too. Apply a generous amount of cream on slightly damp hands and rub it gently onto the palms, between the fingers, the back of your hands, surface of your nails and the wrist. Don't worry if your hands feel a bit greasy, there's nothing wrong with that. To help prepare dry, damaged hands, follow this routine at night. If you're forgetful about applying a hand cream after every wash, here's a little trick that I do. Take a small container and pump out some of the cream and place it near the sink. So every time you wash your hands, you can immediately moisturize them. I also slip a small bottle into my purse for whenever I'm on the go. By now, we all know the importance of wearing SPF on our face. But just like your face, your hands too need sun protection. When your hands are exposed to UV radiations of the sun, they are prone to pigmentation, dark spots and fine lines. I recently realized just how much my hands were exposed to the sun while driving. Such an eye-opener. I now immediately apply sunscreen on the back of my hands right after I apply it to my face. PS, opt for a formula that's non-oily and mattifying so there's no chip. For softer hands, the other thing which you need to do is exfoliate. Over time, the skin of our hands become dry and dull thanks to the buildup of dead skin cells. I like to exfoliate my hands thoroughly with a scrub and wash it off with lukewarm water. I do this twice a week and it really helps my hands stay soft and smooth. You can use scrubs that are available in the market or you can make your own with ingredients at home. Make sure to give your palms and the back of your hands some good exfoliation on a regular basis. This lockdown has made me do things I've never done before, like washing utensils, clothes, and so much more. On most days, my hands felt extremely dry and rough, almost like sandpaper. So in order to protect my hands from harsh chemicals present in dishwashing bars and detergent soaps, I decided to wear gloves. My hands feel totally protected and secure. This change has been a savior. So guys, I hope you liked this video. You are just 5 steps away from achieving ultra soft and healthy hands. So make sure you follow these tips. Before I go, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload a new video.